Happy 30th anniversary Macintosh Classic. I completely forgot about it until now, but so I'm making this on the 30th anniversary too. You can even see, it's the 15th. So I still can't use this computer. As when I got it, the guy, he gave me an original Macintosh mouse, which doesn't work, because I made an Arduino to USB adapter for it. And I have this Apple design keyboard from 1995 that I got at a Goodwill in the States, but the computer, it does work, as I showed it in an earlier video. And this RAM board that was in it, an expansion went bad, so I had to take it out, which I thought was strange. It just stopped booting up one day, and then I took the RAM out and it worked fine. But you'll see, it just goes right into a screensaver program. Yeah, 30 years ago today, this Macintosh, along with I think 2 other cheap Macintoshes, came out. I think they were all supposed to be under $1,000 for the budget. And oh, I hit the keyboard. That's why it's not going into the screensaver software. Oh, it's actually, I've never gotten this far with it before. Does it want a password? Yeah, I don't really know what this is. Does anything happen if I do this? Is it like a command prompt? Yeah, I'm not too sure what this is, but I should have a mouse coming if I win it on eBay. So, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the Macintosh Classic 30th anniversary video. I did a little bit more messing around, and now I've actually gotten into it's booted from ROM right now, but you can see there's lots of stuff installed on the hard drive, so if I get a mouse, I'll make another video about this computer soon.